Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing guys how you can complete the Legend of the Pink Whale quest in Heartopia. So you'll get a call from Rory. If you don't see it, just go to your watch and look at missed calls. Then you are going to talk to Vanya here, which he'll be in his usual spot at the beach. Then you are going to submit a Whale of Calls exclusive fish to Vanya. I do have a lot in my backpack still, so I'm able to do that quickly, if not just fish around this area. And then he's going to tell you to, I believe, talk to people here. So it says, okay, receive a call. Okay, talk to Rory first. And then it says, ask will travel town residents what whale tune looks like. I just talked to Atara, and after I'm done talking to Atara, I got another phone call from Rory, and I believe I was supposed to fill at least 30% of the resources in the collection box in front of your house. And that's where I thought the quest ended, but I also talked to Kaching and Annie about the whale tune. I don't know, they still had the task next to their profile, so I did that. It didn't really give me anything though, but yeah, I was kind of confused. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!